Greetings Diecast Racing Fans, Sharky here, and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. We've got something a little bit different today, and this may be going into the schedule, this may be going up as a bonus, I'm not quite sure yet because I don't know exactly what's in this box. There are two things that should be in this box, but this box, fresher 10 kilogram spearmint leaves of jelly confectionery. Not something we get in the UK. There's all sorts of labels on here. Parcel force, signature on delivery, express post. Now let's have a little clue at this. Somebody has sent me a package from Australia, and that somebody is Matthew Parisi at Gravity Track Grand Prix. Thank you, Matthew, for what you've done. You're a naughty person by sending it express post. Okay. Yeah. So I have undone the top of the box. Let's open it up and see what we've got in there, because I've scribbled out labels. Let's see how we're doing this one-handed. So we have a piece of polystyrene. Da da da! Polystyrene. And then there's some other things. And I wasn't expecting all of this. I don't know what that is. I'll put that to one side. So in Australia, they have some crash racers tracks that we don't get in the UK. And this is some of that. There was only two pieces of this track I wanted. But he's decided to send me more of it, which is cool. That is really funky. So it's got a twist offset. That's got a twist offset. I don't know whether that goes into there like that. That'll be funky. Thank you for that. That's going to be useful. These look like the standard type Crash Racers corners. This also, I think, could connect into that to make a short chicane bend type thing. Not quite sure how that's going to work, go together. Yeah, interesting. The two bits that I'd asked him to send are these two, which have the jumps on them. So I wanted jumps so that I could do some rally races, and this will enable us to do that. So they've got jumps side on. I'm not sure quite how it's going to run. I'm not sure how we're going to need to connect things up to make it work, whether it will all join together or quite what, but yeah, that's awesome. Thank you so much. We're at 4 minutes. But yes, these two have got different angles on them. They can be done as like a water jump. I'm sure that the Vulcan Raceway track builders, Kelvin Raven, Cuboid, will be looking on with great interest at these and these pieces and how we're going to put them to use. And there are a lot of other things in this box, so I'm going to pause this now and put these to one side, and then we're going to talk about everything else that's in there. Matthew, you naughty, thank you. Sorry, I'm a bit emotional. Right, I now know what's coming. So there were some bits that I was also expecting in here, and then there are things that I wasn't. So, I was expecting, because we talked about the 1989 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35, because Dave, who is the other part of Gravity Track Grand Prix, posted a video where he got an awful load of these Savannahs, and at the time I couldn't find or see any of them. So let's go off camera. And I still hadn't picked up one of these, I don't think. I certainly haven't picked one up in white. And I said, well, if Dave's looking to move one of those on, I would love to have one. So thank you for that. Now, Shelby Cobra. We know how much I love my Cobras. Thank you. But I didn't have one of these. At least not one in this good condition, and it's amazing. I think I have now picked one of these up since this was posted, but it is nowhere near as nice as this, and I always want two of them, because I want one to race and one to be on display. Please excuse me if I'm a bit emotional. I never expect people to do nice things for me. I do things for other people because I'm able to sometimes. But this is gorgeous. Thank you, Matthew. And to his lovely lady wife, Rebecca, as well, and to his lovely children. So yeah, this one is the 2021 Muscle Mania one. This one, I can't remember the year of it, but yeah, it's in such good condition and it rolls well. So I was expecting the Cobras and the Savannah. What I wasn't expecting were the others. So there's this one. So a red Nissan R390 GTI. That may feature, this is again, just picking up the phone, I'm not doing too well, Factory Fresh 2021. This one, again, this may go into the red car versus the blue car races, but it's very slick, very slick. And then there's these two. Matthew, naughty. Right, let's hold it there. Okay. So we've got modern classics, 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. I really like my Subarus as well, and I'd been collecting some of the standard ones, but I'd not seen this premium one, which is on real riders. So I hadn't seen this set at all. I don't know whether this is a new one that's just come out and we haven't seen it in the UK yet, or quite what. But yeah, wow. I will take some photos to thumbnail with this, and then there is a collector car. Hot Wheels 2021 Collector Edition. '67 off-road Camaro. Funky cool tyres. This one's not getting opened. and neither is the 22B. Wow. Just wow. Thank you, Matthew. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much for everything you have done. It's very kind of you. I'll take a photo for the thumbnails and stuff, and I'll probably put this one up on Monday and push back A11 Outlaws by a week. Thank you, Matthew. Yeah, I don't know what more to say. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment, subscribe, put the notification bell on, and I'll catch you all next time.